One of the clearest AI money stories today is that SoftBank reported huge profit gains with a major lift from its artificial intelligence investments. AP frames it as a strong sign that the company is benefiting from the AI boom in a way investors can actually measure, which is why this story feels bigger than a normal earnings headline. A lot of AI coverage lives in product demos and future promises. This story lands because it is about actual profits. When a company is visible as SoftBank posts big gains and ties them to AI bets, viewers do not have to imagine what the boom might mean. They can see what it is already doing to balance sheets and investor confidence. AP's angle matters because it connects SoftBank's results to the broader AI investment race. The message is not only that one company had a good quarter. It is that well-placed exposure to AI continues producing outsized gains at a time when markets are still trying to separate real winners from inflated expectations. People click on this because they're still trying to answer the same basic question. Is the AI boom sustainable, or is it being oversold? A company posting huge profits tied to AI gives supporters more evidence, but it also raises the stakes. The stronger the gains look, the more attention shifts to who is missing out and who still has time to catch up. The next thing to watch is whether these results remain isolated or spread across more companies with serious AI exposure. If the gains keep showing up, the market story gets stronger. If they do not, the pressure will shift back to whether AI valuations got ahead of what the business results can support. That is why this is one of the strongest business video topics today. SoftBank's results are not just about one company winning. They feed a much bigger debate over whether AI is becoming the most powerful profit engine in global tech, or whether the market is still getting ahead of itself.